Hi. Welcome to my channel where I'll be posting content related to food and products. If you're new here, hey, follow my other channel, Janvika Academy, to know more about me. I have always been passionate about cutting fruits and vegetables since childhood, and it's taken me this long to actually record it. So, here we are. Today, I'm cutting a cucumber and a carrot for a salad. Though it's a simple salad, chopping veggies does indeed take time. I'm used to cutting, but not used to cutting with the camera on, and hence it's taking me a little longer than usual. I'm sure my chopping shall not be camera conscious after a few videos. I hope so. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering about my bandaged finger, I got a paper cut last evening and I didn't cut myself. So, cucumbers done, carrot I'm chopping, and I need to talk until I finish cutting the entire carrot. So here I am. Yeah, time lapse. Yes, I'm finishing it up by chopping a tomato for the salad to make it a tri-colored bowl ready to be mixed. So, see you in the next video of Cutting with Me series. Of course, please do like, share, comment, and follow for more. Bye bye.